In this video, you'll learn how to apply Amazon automation, computers, and software to systematize practically every aspect of your e-commerce business, and I use all these strategies to run the Amazon side of my seven-figure e-commerce business. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and be sure to hit the bell button to be notified when new videos come out. Now, running a successful Amazon business involves managing many moving parts. For example, you must maintain your inventory levels, adjust your pricing, respond to customer inquiries, tweak your advertising, and manage your reputation. Meanwhile, there are malicious sellers constantly trying to hijack your listings and knock off your products. New competitors pop up daily, and it is a cutthroat environment. And to make things worse, you also have to worry about Amazon suspending your listings or outright copying and private labeling your products for sale. Now, with that in mind, how do successful Amazon entrepreneurs run 7- and 8-figure e-commerce businesses with a staff of only 2 or 3 people? How is this possible? Well, successful sellers leverage Amazon automation and software to outsource the tedious selling tasks to a computer or a third-party provider. So in this video, you'll learn the easiest and most cost-effective way to automate and outsource the following tasks for your Amazon business: Amazon advertising, feedback and review generation, email and SMS list generation, listing monitoring, and shipping and fulfillment. So first off, what is Amazon automation? Well, Amazon automation is the act of using software and third-party services to run your Amazon business as smoothly as possible, reduce your workload, and allow you to focus on your strengths. Amazon automation comes in many different forms. Some companies will build out your entire Amazon business for you by finding profitable products to sell, finding suppliers, building your Amazon listing, setting up Amazon PPC, everything. But for most Amazon sellers, you're likely searching for inexpensive software solutions to automate repetitive tasks so you can focus on other areas of your business. So the remainder of this video will outline every service and software package that I personally use to automate my Amazon business. All right, Amazon automation number 1. Use Amazon FBA. Now, Fulfillment by Amazon is a program where Amazon stores and fulfills your orders directly from their warehouse every time you make a sale. So you don't have to store inventory, you don't have to ship packages, you don't have to deal with customer service. In fact, Amazon FBA is the closest business model to dropshipping that you can find online. And leveraging Amazon FBA is the easiest way to automate your e-commerce business. Now, if you look at the FBA fees that Amazon charges, you'll notice that FBA is quite expensive compared to most third-party fulfillment centers. So why not just sell merchant fulfilled? Well, Amazon FBA gives you access to the Prime badge, which will instantly boost the visibility of your products by up to 3x or more. Whenever I shop on Amazon, I purposely exclude all merchant fulfilled listings from the search results and only look at the Prime listings. Amazon has trained all of us to focus on fast and cheap shipping, which can only be attained with Prime shipping. Now, even though Amazon FBA will cost you another 10 to 15% of your revenue on top of Amazon's 15% selling fee, it is well worth the cost for the increased sales alone. Plus, Amazon will handle all of your shipping and fulfillment and take responsibility for its own screw-ups. All you have to do is file for a reimbursement on lost inventory, and Amazon will refund you. Amazon automation number 2. Use a service that automates inventory reimbursement. Now, when you use FBA, Amazon loses your inventory more often than you would expect. And for our e-commerce business, Amazon misplaces our products at least a couple of times every month. But the problem is that Amazon will never openly admit that it has lost your inventory, nor will it automatically reimburse you for it. Instead, you have to reach out to Amazon, show proof of the inventory discrepancy, and only then will they refund you for the number of units lost. And as you can imagine, this process is extremely tedious, and it's just not a good use of your time. As a result, most successful Amazon sellers use an inventory reconciliation service like Getida. Getida uses software to keep track of your Amazon FBA inventory transactions, refunds, and seller analytics, and automatically files claims to Amazon on your behalf. Now, we've used Getida for quite a while now, and the best part is that you only pay a fee when they actually get you reimbursed. As a result, using Getida is risk-free. And right now, they are offering $400 in free reimbursements when you sign up in the link in the description. Amazon automation number 3, review generation. Getting Amazon reviews is an important aspect of ranking your products in Amazon search. If you don't actively ask a buyer for a review, you're just not going to get one. Right now, Amazon has a button in Seller Central, which allows you to manually request a review. But who has time to do that? Instead, you need to use a service like Feedback Genius, which will automate this process for you. Jungle Scout also offers a similar service where you can ask for bulk feedback across all of your most recent orders. Now, it doesn't really matter what service you use, but review generation should always be automated. Amazon automation number 4, listing monitoring. Amazon is a competitive marketplace, and evil sellers are constantly trying to sabotage your Amazon listings. Now, probably the most subtle form of sabotage is when a competitor takes control of your listing and changes the titles and details. Sometimes, evil sellers will intentionally leave negative reviews to damage your reputation. Other unscrupulous business owners will purposely buy and return your merchandise and mark it not as described. Now, if you manage many Amazon listings, it is impossible to manually monitor them all. Instead, you should leverage Amazon automation and alerts to stay informed about everything. So personally, I use a service called Feedback Wiz to monitor all my listings. This service tells me whenever I get a negative review, whenever someone returns an order, whenever any of my listings change, and whenever I lose the buy box. Basically, whenever anything bad happens with any listing, I'm immediately alerted via email and I put out the fire right away. Now, without a tool, this would be impossible to manage. Amazon automation number 5, Amazon PPC automation. Now, running profitable Amazon ads involves bidding on targeted keywords and carefully managing bids to obtain a positive return on ad spend. Now, as a successful Amazon seller, you are likely bidding on tens or even hundreds of keywords per product. In addition, you must monitor your keyword performance and constantly add to your negative keyword list and manage your bids across a variety of phrases. Amazon advertising complexity adds up quickly and can easily turn into a full-time job in itself. Now, there are 2 basic ways to automate your Amazon PPC advertising. You can outsource your advertising completely, or you can use software to help automate your keyword bidding. Now, personally, I've tried both methods with varying degrees of success. Now, if you want to completely outsource your Amazon advertising, I recommend Seller Labs. Last year, I hired Seller Labs to manage my Amazon PPC entirely, and they produced excellent results. Check the description for a link to my case study where I reveal all of my sales and revenue numbers from this experiment. Now, the second way to automate your PPC is by using a tool like Ignite. Ignite is Amazon advertising software that allows you to quickly evaluate the performance of your campaigns and receive customized recommendations for you to take action. It's completely integrated with Amazon, and you can manage all of your campaigns from within Ignite. So instead of sorting through spreadsheets and manually adjusting bids, Ignite uses machine learning algorithms to make intelligent suggestions about your bids and your campaigns. Here's a screenshot of Ignite's latest recommendations for my advertising campaigns. Now, according to Ignite, I should mark the keyword servilletas para tortillas as an exact match negative keyword because it is not performing well. With a single click of the Approve button, Ignite will automatically make that a negative keyword in my campaign. Now, by using a tool like Ignite, you can semi-automate your Amazon PPC campaigns by outsourcing your keyword management to software. All you got to do is approve the suggestions, and over time, your ROI will improve. Amazon automation number 6, automate email and SMS collection. Now, it's no secret that Amazon hides all of your customer information from you, and in fact, Amazon now removes the customer name from all your orders. In order to get your customer's email address and phone number, you have to resort to other means, and this is where a tool called ManyChat comes in. ManyChat allows you to create a Facebook Messenger bot to automate customer info collection, and here's how it works. First, you create an enticing Facebook ad to attract customers to your product. Now, in this example, I'm giving away my Amazon product for free with a rebate. When they click on the ad, they are taken to Facebook Messenger where they are presented with the offer. Now, after they click yes, I provide them with full directions on how to buy my product on Amazon. After they make a full price purchase, they return to the bot to file for the reimbursement. Now, what's cool about ManyChat is that the user's email address and phone number are pre-populated in the form based on information that Facebook already has about the user. As a result, there's no typing required and the conversion rates are fantastic. If you implement the rebate flow correctly, here's what you stand to gain: an email address, an SMS phone number, a Facebook Messenger subscriber, a full-priced Amazon sale, and an Amazon review. Amazon automation number 7, automate pricing to obtain the buy box. Now, if you sell other people's products on Amazon, your ability to win the buy box will be almost entirely price-driven. As a result, if you're not selling private label products on Amazon and your business model is wholesale, retail arbitrage, or online arbitrage, you will need to use a repricer. An Amazon repricer is software that automatically updates the pricing of your products so that you win the buy box. After all, if you don't have the buy box, you can't generate any sales. So here's how it works. You sign up for a repricing tool and connect it up to your Seller Central account. Then you choose to include or exclude which sellers to reprice against. Set your minimum and maximum price thresholds, and then apply a strategy based on your desired profit margin and inventory levels. Once you've set up these repricing rules, the software tool will automatically adjust your prices to make sure that you get the buy box while still making an acceptable profit. Now, please note that Amazon repricing software is only required if you don't own your own brand. When you sell your own private label products, you will always have the buy box 100% of the time because you're going to be the only seller. Now, the real question is Amazon automation required? Now, when it comes to automation, I always prefer outsourcing to a machine over a human. But not all software will have the features that you need. If you find that the software solutions mentioned in this video don't meet your needs, there are a number of ways to outsource your Amazon tasks to contractors that specialize in Amazon. So for example, you can use a service like Second Office to find a full-time Filipino VA to manage your Amazon listings. Every VA at Second Office is specifically trained in e-commerce. In addition, Second Office provides an office and the necessary infrastructure such as a computer, internet access, and backup power. However, if all you need are temporary Amazon contractors, then a firm like YourTasker offers trained workers who will manage your Amazon operations on your behalf. The contractors at YourTasker can be hired on a per-project basis and are a very cost-effective way to outsource your Amazon operations. Now, whether you decide to use software or human capital is up to you, but you should automate your Amazon operation as much as you can so you can focus on the aspect of your business that matters.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Now, if you like what you saw, there's actually a lot more where that came from if you subscribe to my channel below. And if you are interested in learning how to sell physical products online, then click over here and take my free 6-day mini course where I'll walk you through everything that you need to know to get started in e-commerce. Thanks for watching.